Alright everybody, so this is going to be a cold start on the WeedEater trimmer, WeedEater brand trimmer. I haven't ran this thing in a good while. As you can see, it's still got just about a full tank of gas, and the primer valve is empty, dried up. Full choke it, make sure there's definitely enough primes. Hasn't leaked anything, and it is cold. Proving that right now. Alright, let's see. I'm sure the camera's got a decent distance from it. Alright, let's see what happens. I think it already popped off on the first pull. Oh well, I wasn't even counting, but it wasn't that bad. It sounded like it fired on the first pull just a bit, so I may have pulled it more than I should have. Yep, still an awesome machine for sure. Big thumbs up.